Hey, what is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. And if you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. Today's video is going to be sponsored by Boosted Stripes, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys myself putting on some Boosted Stripes on some new Adidas Ultra Boost that I have. As you can see out here, I have a couple different pairs with the stripes on them already. We have the Carbon Fiber 1.0. We have a chameleon effect on the Multi 4.0s. Some chromed out ones on this Oreo 2.0 that I customized with the black midsole, and then some gold boosted stripes on this 4.0 here. So if you don't know what boosted stripes are, you can check the link in the description. You can see some other examples of boosted stripes. But basically, these are a way to customize your Ultra Boost and other Adidas products to give them kind of a more unique, one-of-a-kind feel. And at first glance, they look like just a sticker on your Ultra Boost, but it's more of like a vinyl that you actually heat press onto the stripes and also the heel section if you choose. But it's pretty awesome because they stick really well, and it's just a great way for you to customize your Ultra Boost for a kind of a cheaper method. But the best part is you can actually just rip them off if you don't want them on and you want to just change it up again. So you can buy 2 sets and get 2 sets free if you use the code HESS buy 2 get 2 free. And also there is a 20% off code if you use HESSKICKS 20 off. So I will link both of those in the description for those people that are interested in buying these. So they're really simple to install. You just take them off the backing here, place them on the stripes or the heel cup, and then you use a heat gun or a hair dryer and then press them on, and then they're good to go. Really simple. It just takes a couple seconds. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so I have a couple different ones I'm going to be using. There's some blue and some red foil. I think I'm going to use it on a white pair maybe and do red and blue on one of the shoes just for fun, I guess. And then I'm going to do the Galaxy sort of look to it, which looks really similar to the one that I actually already did. But this is kind of a cool one because the other one I did Hydro Dip. This is actually one with stickers, which is 1,000 times easier than what I did. I'm going to go ahead and put that on one of these ones here. And then there's this iridescent look one. I'm going to do this to the white one back here. And then we're going to do the purple to this black one right here. So 5 different combinations. I'm going to go ahead and apply them to these shoes right now. So the purple one here, I decided not to use the eyelet one just to show that this is kind of more the traditional way, since there's no actual color usually on the eyelets, just usually on the 3 stripes. So I did it this way to show you guys the finish. Kind of a cool looking purple, and this one applied seamlessly, as you can see back here. Really simple. And yeah, so this is the black and the purple one for whatever theme that you guys, I guess, would want for the black and the purple. Then moving on over to this one, it's probably actually my favorite one, is the white with this iridescent. And again, I didn't do these ones up here. I could have added them up here, but I decided not to on this one, just to show you guys the variety and the difference. But I think these look really cool. And a nice, real clean looking colorway to the shoe, but it adds a lot of little pop and shine with the stripes as well as the heel cup. And then the Galaxy one, this one would look better if I painted the midsole black, honestly. But this is pretty cool. It actually has a nice Galaxy effect. And then I did their boosted stripe laces just to mix it up a little bit there. But I think this looks pretty cool. The Hydro Dip one took a long time to do, and this was literally just print. But it's actually kind of a fun concept. So leave a comment in the comment section if you had boosted stripes choose like different prints to be able to create. What prints would you guys want them to actually make? Leave some comments and I'll share that feedback with them, and hopefully they can actually make those prints for you guys. I also added it up here so it adds a little bit extra pop to the shoe, and that is the Galaxy Nebula sort of print on the Ultra Boost. And then last up, this is the one that I thought would be just kind of fun to mess around with. You can see I did the blue, and then I did the red heel cup, and then I did red, blue, red, and then I did the opposite up here, blue, red, blue, red. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can like be a little bit more creative. If you see a couple different sets out there that you like on their site, you could buy both sets and then just do something like this to the shoe. I don't know if I really like it. I think it looks kind of like Captain America-ish, but kind of cool, and I like the foil. The downside for me on this one is I did a really bad job of putting the heel cup on. Right, this part right here is real tricky, and I really was rushing this just because I was trying to get all of these done. But take your time on this part if you're going to do it. This one with the Ultra Boost on it is the hardest part, so just be real careful and take your time. But I recommend you guys going over to Boosted Stripes website and checking out the products at the very least. They have a bunch of different ones other than the ones you guys see out here. These are just the ones that I wanted to show you guys. But thank you, Boosted Stripes, for sponsoring this video. Appreciate you all. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and the differences. Leave a comment in the comment section. Which out of these 4 that I did down here did you guys like the best? Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of the day. And we'll catch you guys for some more videos very soon. Peace, guys.